So for this Nomad Sculpt modeling video, we're going to do some solar panels, as you can see from our reference here. It's mainly made out of like one big square, small little squares, triangles, and like little log rectangles as well. So let's get started. Let's delete what we have in the scene first. Delete. And let's go with a box. All right. So we're gonna go from the top and we're gonna expand this to like fit 9 circles. So that should be pretty good. Let's make sure that's lined up pretty well. All right, there we are. Okay. One other thing, the bottom has to be a little much thinner. That should be good. Okay. Validate. Now that we have that out of the way, we can copy this, duplicate. Let's rename this panel, then solar panels. Right. Go top. Actually, go to the front. We're gonna move this up just a bit. Then we're also gonna make it a little smaller. So that should be good. And let's go to the left. Again, let's make it a little smaller. So about 3 in there. That's good. Let's make sure that's 4. Okay. So you see right here where it's like 3 to 4 little blocks away from the edge of the panel. Yeah, that's what I meant, sorry. All right, so that's good. That'll be our solar panels. Let's go a little down. That should be good. Okay. Now let's copy that for solar panels. Okay. Let's copy this. Duplicate. Let's go solar dividers. Okay. So as you see here on the little image, there's like some divisions here. So we're gonna do that out of this. Let's go on top, right front. We are gonna make this about 3 or no, make it smaller. It's like 2 blocks wide. Yeah, alright. Let's see. Left should be about pretty much the same size as on the left side as the solar panels. All right, let's go to top. Let's move this right around here, and then we're gonna duplicate this a few times. That's not terrible. Okay. pretty good. All right, so then let's make another one. Right, and then all these are gonna be simple merged together, and this one is gonna be rotated. And let's do a snap of 90. All right, sweet. Go to the front. Make sure it kind of lines up about the same. That's good. Top. And then duplicate. So that one's individual. Top. Okay. That's good. They're about relatively the same size. There's your panels. Oh, we accidentally lifted it up instead. That's good. All right, there we are. Make sure it's all nice. Right. Then we can combine all the side dividers as well. Simple merge. Go to front. Go down. I guess we can do that, make it a little smaller, but that's fine. Front. Alright. Let's actually make this a little bigger. That's good. Okay. So there we have it. We have our solar panels. Let's do some light coloring. Let's see, solar panels themselves. We're gonna go with a blue. Oh, no, that's the background. Okay, that's fine. Oh, okay. So I guess I renamed those things wrong. Okay, let me fix that now. Panels. There's... that's good. Okay, and then paint that like a gold, but a blue kind of gold. And force make that. And there you have it. There's these little, what do you call, like triangle or diamond shaped things. We can also add that. So let's go ahead and do that. Primitive, it's literally just a square, but let's see, snap, let's do 45 degrees. Top. Like that. Then we make this smaller like that. Smaller. Even it out. Validate that. Then we can do that for each one of sections. Oh, we forgot to make it a little thinner there. All right. So then, yeah, that works. Actually, let me. Nope. Gizmo. Move it a little. Yeah. All right. That's good. And then let's duplicate that quite a few times. Top. Oh. Let's see, transform now. Let's just move it. That's good. Duplicate. All right. So to make things easier, let's simple merge all three of those. Then we can duplicate them and move them like this. And then we can just keep repeating this for all of those. Right? Try to get it centered. All right. It's not too bad. Duplicate. And there you have it. Solar panel's a little better. And then we can merge all those. Simple merge, color. This is going to be like a metallic gray white. So force paint all of those. Let's see. Now we have a little simple solar panel. And what we can do is, if you like, we can either simple merge or voxel merge. It's really up to us, but keeping like this is fine. And then what do you call it? Duplicating. I guess I can make like two of them. No, this is good. We can just, as an object, we can just replicate it in different software and make multiples of this. But yeah, this is our solar panel. If you'd like to stick around, I'll show you how to do the UV wrapping, unwrapping for this, and then I'm gonna make this available on the YouTube. Up to you if you want to stay, but video's pretty much done. All right, have a good day. So if you stayed, let's like those little diamonds, go to the settings here. Everything's under 100K vertices, so we can do on our atlas. It shouldn't take too long. There we are. And again, for UV unwrapping, we have to do this for each one of them. Guess this one had a little more vertices than we expected. Ooh, oh, there it is. All right. And then let's see. Panels. See that it should be go really fast. And lastly, the actual solar panels. Okay, there you are, all UV unwrapped for you. Then we can save, save your solar panels, export. We're gonna export it as a get to O, and that's it. End of the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and it should be up soon.